Think humans have the most advanced societies? Think again. Ants have been farming, waging wars, and building cities long before we ever existed. But here's a question. How are these tiny titans faring in a world dominated by us? Spoiler? It's more complicated than you might think. Let's uncover the incredible story of ants. Ants first appeared about 140 million years ago. Yes, they were scurrying around during the age of dinosaurs. They survived the mass extinction that wiped out the dinos and went on to colonize nearly every corner of the Earth. Today, there are over 12,000 identified species, with each playing a unique role in their ecosystems. Take leafcutter ants, for example. They're farmers, literally. They cut leaves to grow fungi, which they eat. Who needs supermarkets when you have a fungal farm in your backyard? But the real magic of ants is their social structure. Their colonies are like miniature nations with queens, workers, and soldiers all working together. It's why scientists call them superorganisms. One colony acts like a single being. Pretty impressive, right? Humans and ants go way back. Ancient Chinese farmers used weaver ants as natural pest control in their orchards. No chemicals, just good old-fashioned teamwork. These days, ants are studied in labs to understand their behavior or even inspire technology. Have you heard of swarm robotics? It's based on how ants work together to solve problems. But our relationship with ants isn't all rosy. As we reshape the planet, we've started disrupting their ancient societies in ways they might not survive. Habitat destruction from deforestation and urbanization is a massive threat to ants. Some species, like Australia's bulldog ant, are endangered because their habitats are shrinking. Then there's the problem of invasive species. Fire ants, for instance, have spread worldwide through global trade. They outcompete native ants, disrupt ecosystems, and even damage crops. Climate change is another big issue. Rising temperatures force ants to migrate or adapt, often with ripple effects on the ecosystems they help support. And don't forget pollution. Pesticides and chemicals can mess with their ability to communicate. Imagine trying to run a city where no one can talk to each other. Ants are resilient, resourceful, and ancient survivors, but even they aren't immune to the impact of human activity. If creatures as adaptable as ants are struggling, what does that say about the state of our planet? Their struggles mirror the bigger environmental challenges we all face. Maybe we should take a page from their book, focus on teamwork and sustainability to protect the ecosystems we all depend on. Ants might be small, but their story is massive, and it's one we're all a part of. Here's your mission. Learn about the ants in your area, avoid harmful pesticides, and support efforts to protect natural habitats. Every action counts. What's the coolest thing you've learned about ants today? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this dive into the world of ants, hit the like button, subscribe for more animal deep dives, and share this video with someone who needs to know how amazing ants really are. Thanks for watching, and remember, big changes start with small actions, just like ants.